Let me introduce you to the most explosively flavorful beef noodles you will ever taste. Start with 150 grams of beef sliced pepper thin. This ensures maximum flavor absorption. The marinade is pure science. Use 1 spoon of ginger powder for warmth, 1 spoon of pepper for heat, 1 spoon of cumin for smokiness, and the secret weapon, half spoon of baking soda. Just half a teaspoon transforms stone meat into melt in your mouth tenderness through pure chemistry. Add water and massage until sticky. The tactile change tells you the proteins are breaking down perfectly. 30 minutes is all it takes to work this meat changing magic. This is not just food, it is an experience that will make your taste buds stand at attention. Toast dried chilies and aromatics in hot oil until the air itself becomes fragrant. Add fermented bean paste and hard paste. Watch as they melt into a crimson oil that forms the soul of this dish. That sizzle is the sound of flavor being born. Add the beef and sear quickly, keeping everything moving. The seasonings are 1 spoon of soy sauce for depth, half spoon of dark soy for color, 1 spoon of sugar to balance the heat, and more, 1 spoon of cumin and half spoon of Sichuan pepper for that signature mouth numbing sensation. Toast with cooked noodles and witness the transformation. Each strand gets coated in that glossy aromatic sauce. The beef stays incredibly tender while absorbing all those complex spices. The first bite delivers everything. The initial heat, the developing numbness, the smoky undertones, and finally that rich beefiness that keeps you coming back for more. This is not just cooking, it is alchemy that turns simple ingredients into pure fire.